the feeling of holding the book written by you, seeing your photo on the cover of the book is so surreal and fulfilling. And if you also want to get this feeling, I challenge you to watch this video till the end as a matter of commitment, because today in this video we are going to go step by step, right from writing the book, deciding the theme of the book, till publishing the book, what is going to process, and I'm going to help you step by step. By the way, I wrote this book named as Trading as Career. If you want to check out this book and get your hands on this book, I'm going to link it in the description. So the step one is deciding the theme of the book. Now, अगर आपको book लिखनी है, so you will be having like an idea about कि टॉपिक क्या है बुक का. मे बी इट कैन बी सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, प्रोडक्टिविटी, मे बी आप कोई फील्ड में हो जैसे कि इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग, तो उस पर आपको बुक लिखनी है. सो यू मस्ट बी हैविंग अ टॉपिक और एन आइडिया, बट आफ्टर दैट कम्स द थीम. नाउ डिसाइडिंग द थीम इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड हियर इज हाउ आई डिड. So you just have to ask yourself this one question which you see on the screen. What lasting impact or insight do I want my readers to gain from my book? मतलब कि ऐसा कौन सा insight है, कुछ learning है जो मुझे मेरी book से मेरे reader को कन्वे करना है या फिर देना है मेरे रीडर को. लास्टिंग इम्पैक्ट आई वॉन्ट टू गिव टू माई रीडर. सो दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू आस्क योर सेल्फ, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू मेक लाइक अ ब्लू प्रिंट ऑफ द बुक. एंड दिस इज द ब्लू प्रिंट, दिस इज द exact blueprint which I made for my book, which you can see on the screen. I started off by writing, I want to start by why I choose this career, and at the end I shall convince you to also come into this world of trading. Next I want to address the reaction of people which was mostly negative. This take to the start of the book where we will talk about the age old thinking, myths and reason why they think it is a bad choice to take it as a career, and so on and so forth. मतलब मैंने पूरा ही एक इमेजिनेशन बनाया कि मैं स्टार्ट कैसे करूंगी, मैं कैसे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक से रिलेट करूंगी, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. तो ऐसे एक आइडिया बना, एक थीम बना, एक काइंड ऑफ मैंने इमेजिन किया मेरी पूरी बुक को इन माई हेड, बिकॉज हमको सोचना पड़ेगा कि वो कैसा दिखेगा इन रियलिटी, एंड देन ओनली इट विल कम टू रियलिटी, राइट. सो हमको सबसे पहले उसका एक फ्लो चार्ट बनाना है. वी हैव टू थिंक व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ द बुक, एंड एक आप डॉक्यूमेंट करो, टाइप करो, राइट करो, पेन पेपर पे लिखो, टाइप करो, जो भी करना है करो, वॉट एवर दैट यू फील इज द बेस्ट, एंड मेक द थीम. And then you have to make it in a document format, because that is more ideal. Now next comes into the picture the agencies which can be helpful to you. So I partnered with this brand called this agency called as Adhyan Books, and they were helping me throughout my writing journey, and of course they charge for it. Nothing is free in this world, right? So if you are someone who is like me, who have no idea about this writing phase and this writing industry and how we actually go about writing a book, if you have no idea, you should definitely go and choose an agency. So the agency which I went with is Adhyan Books, and they helped me with writing the book, publishing the book, making the cover and everything basically. So this is not sponsored by them, but I had a great experience with them. So if you also want to have more idea about it, you can let me know by just connecting with me in my Instagram. You can DM me and I will reach out to you. Okay, so I partnered with Adhyan Books, and I don't know about other services they provide, but I personally went with the full service in which they will help you to make the index, in which they will also help you to draft the book, typeset of the book, make the cover for the book, publish it on Amazon, and after that they will also give you printing services, so they will print it as well. So बेसिकली स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक आपको पूरा वो गाइड करेंगे. इफ यू आर लाइक मी हु हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दिस राइटिंग स्पेस, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो विद देम. बट ऑनेस्टली इफ यू आर पैशनेट इनफ, यू कैन डू इट योर सेल्फ एज वेल, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. डोंट वरी, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू ChatGPT prompts and other guidance which can help you to publish your book as well, to make the draft and the typeset, and how you are going to make the index and everything like that. But just one thing that you have to do is make the theme of the book, which I talked about earlier. So you have to make the theme yourself, because this is your creation, my friend. So your creation, the foundation has to be laid by you. So after this video, if you're passionate enough, go and make a theme for your book like how I made it. You just go and read how I wrote it in just exact that manner. You go and write. It is going to make the rest of the job very, very easy for you. All right, so this is a step one, which is deciding the theme of the book, and then I also talked about the agencies which can help you, which helped me a lot. Now second step is making making the index. Now for making the index, of course, if you go with the agency, they are going to make for you, but if you are not going with them, you can actually make it yourself by taking the help of AI or even making yourself. But if you want to take the help of ChatGPT, I have a prompt which you can get by just click on the link below and filling up your form, and after that you are directly going to get the document in which you will be having the prompt. So you have to copy your theme of the book, and after that you are going to go to ChatGPT, paste that prompt and just enter, and you will be having index page which is made by ChatGPT for you. So that is how you can leverage the use of AI. Alright, so once we are done making the index, of course if you go with the agency, they are going to make it for you and you have to review it if you want to make some changes and stuff like that. So then comes the step 3, which is start with writing the first chapter. Number 1, you don't have to wait till you become perfect. You just have to start to become perfect. Okay, so start with writing the first chapter. And how you are going to write the first chapter? So you will be having the topic, right? About that topic, whatever that you know, just write that down. For example, getting a profession and not a game. So this is the first chapter, and here I was about to convey my story. I was about to tell my story, that why I chose it. So I was just about to start it, and I wrote down my story, that what happened and how I got the criticism, and then how I overcame it, and then what were my thoughts and everything. So I was just basically making out my idea for that chapter. So once you are done making the idea, that theme of the first chapter, then you have to go and in-depth writing karni hai. Please use AI whenever you feel stuck, whenever you feel you are having a content block. Go to ChatGPT and seek help. It is going to help you a lot. Okay, this is the third step. So once you are done with making the idea and the theme of the chapter 1, go and in-depth writing start karo, and after that aapne in-depth writing start kar diya, and then you will be having a draft, or I can say a document of the chapter 1. If you are going with the agency, then you have to go and send it to them, and they are going to make a in-depth, like a proper author language में आपको लिख के दे देंगे आपका chapter 1. लेकिन अगर आप खुद करें, so again my ChatGPT prompt will help you. Just copy the entire document that you have wrote, go to ChatGPT, paste my prompt, and that is going to give you the author language wala chapter 1. Okay, so that is also done. Step 4 is to keep the momentum on, and जैसे आपने chapter 1 लिखा वैसे सारे ही chapter को आपको लिखना है, same format you have to follow. And once you are done with writing all the chapters, then you have to make a typeset. Now it's easier to say than done, because while writing you will be having many hurdles, many struggles, and you will be having content blocks and stuff like that. But please remember, why you are writing a book, your why will help you always. Okay, so this is one tip from me. And the fifth step, as I told you, is to make a typeset of the book. Now making the typeset, you will need a professional person, so you can go and search on the internet if you have a professional person who can write the typeset for you. And you can just if you are partnering with like Adyan Books, they will also help you with that, and they will make the about the author and about the book as well for you. Done with the fifth step, then we move on to the next step, which is making the cover. Now this is very exciting. So while we were making the cover, of course they were helping me in making that. I had to had serious arguments with them, because I needed my cover to look really good, because like a book is judged by its cover. Okay, let's be honest. So this cover that you see, it has gone through various trial errors, various modifications, and like color change, font change, uske baad mera photo change, bahut kuch change hua, and then this cover is looking like this. So of course, if you are a designer, professional designer yourself, you can make it yourself, but you can obviously go with professional help, and that is also great. So the sixth step actually is making the cover of the book, and then comes the seventh step, which is finalizing the pricing. You have to make a fixed price after deducting your printing cost. आपका printing cost कितना होगा, and उसके बाद आपको अपना profit margin कितना रखना है, and उसके बाद you have to make a final price. So my book is priced 399, so it is 400 rupees की book है मेरी, and उसके अंदर से मेरा printing cost कुछ होगा 139 या 140 rupees का, या 140 rupees का मेरा printing cost होगा. And उसके बाद का जो भी रॉयल्टी चार्जेस एंड वो सब मुझे मिलता है. यू आर डन विद द प्राइसिंग पार्ट, देन यू मूव ऑन टू पब्लिशिंग द बुक. नाउ पब्लिशिंग ऑन Amazon is a whole different thing. I have no idea about it because they did it on my behalf. So they did that. So I basically have no idea. So you need professional help for publishing it on Amazon. And once you are done with publishing it on Amazon, and then you are finally done, that's how you are actually going to start writing a book and then complete by publishing it on Amazon. Now after publishing as well, as an author you need to make like a fixed date of launch. So मैंने decide किया तो मेरे birthday के दिन launch करूँगी, and मेरा birthday fortunately coincidentally बहुत ही अच्छे दिन पे था. It was Ekadashi as well, so I thought it is the perfect day. So I launched on my birthday. I did like a live stream on my channel. So if you are influencer as well, so आप live stream कर सकते हो, या फिर आप एक Google Meet रख सकते हो अपने friends and family के साथ, या फिर एक physical launch कर सकते हो at a cafe or something. So आप ऐसे अपनी book को launch कर सकते हो. If you have the physical copy in your hands, it's great. Unfortunately I didn't had that at that time because book just publish हुई थी उस दिन and delivery में थोड़ा सा time लग गया था, so that is why. Okay, so anyways, this is how you actually go about writing your own book, and it's great journey. It's a great feeling to become an author, and wish you all the very best. Don't forget to go and steal all the prompts because I have made it for you and it's going to help you a lot. And if you want to know more about Adhyan Books, you can just come out to me and I will help you if you want to seek their help as well. About it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it till here. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found value out of it. Please don't forget to subscribe down to my channel if you have any sort of doubt about your writing journey, and if there is any way, I repeat, any way by which I can help you, please let me know in the comments. I am very happy to help you, and thank you so much for watching. I am going to see you very soon in my next video, and stay happy, stay safe, and this is Mangi wishing you all a great day. Bye.